Welcome back to the mentor. This is data entry project number 18. We have another data entry project which I got on upwork.com. So here is the client instruction. He's saying that the Excel file contains our 7,000 row of hospital data. For this project, I need the following information for each hospital. So here is the Excel file. You can see there are 7,000 leads. And he's saying that website you're already provided in the sheet, simply copy the URL from the sheet, open it in Google and access the website. So here you can see guys, he already provided me this website URL, and he's saying that you just need to copy the website URL and paste it in Google. And let's see what here they're saying. He's saying from each hospital website extract and record the following detail. Okay, so he's saying that you will need to extract the following detail like hospital name, email address, contact number and full address. Okay, and below he's saying that please ensure that the data is collected accurately and organized systematically. Attention to detail is crucial for the success of this task. Okay, process are very simple guys. So let's begin. Here you can see he already provided me the website URL, so we will just simply copy the website URL and we will simply paste it on Google here. Okay, so this is the client instruction, and after that we will need to extract some information from here which are publicly available. So we will just go down here. Okay, now here you can see their email address is available, so I will simply copy the email address from here. Okay, I will just copy the email address and I will simply paste it here. You can see. Okay, and now we will go back, and here you can see their contact number is also available here, so I will simply copy their contact number. Okay, and I will paste it here. Now you can see we need to copy other information like their location address. So here you can see it's their location address, so just copy. Okay, and then paste it here. Very simple. Now we will copy their hospital name, so I will just go back. Here you can see their hospital name is mentioned. Okay, Sika Memorable. Yeah, here you can also see Sika Memorable Hospital. Okay, so just copy this name. Okay, you can see guys, Sika Memorable Hospital. Okay, just copy the name and then paste it here. Okay, so one entry is done guys. The process are very simple, but one thing I want to mention here, whenever you are doing any data entry work, so if you want to extract the phone number from any places, okay, and when you paste it here there will be some kind of issue. It's because you will need to change some data here. Okay, so you will need to click here. Okay, after that you will need to go down here. You can see it's mentioned format cell, so just click on it. Okay, and then you will need to select the text. Okay, so maybe if you are facing the issue, it may be select here in journal. Okay, you will need to change the journal to the text. Okay, so when you select the text, then it will be correct. Okay, then save, click. Okay, there will be no issue for you. I have already done the setting, that's why I'm not facing any issue. So maybe if you are facing that, you will need to change this. Okay, so that's keep in mind, that's a very important step. Okay, so now we will go back to another entry. Here you can see this is the second website URL. Okay, so we will copy and we will simply paste it here. Okay, so we already complete one entry. Now we will go and we will do another entry. Okay, so I will just go back here. Okay, let's see. Now if I just go here, you can see now we have their location address. Okay, so just copy it. Okay, copy the location address and simply paste it here. Now you can see their contact number is also available. Just copy. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, good. Now you can see their email address is I think not available here. Okay, but their Facebook page is available, so just click on their Facebook page. Okay, just open it. Okay guys, so if I just go back here, you can see their Facebook page has been opened and their email is also available here. Okay, so I will simply type their email address here because the Facebook is currently not working in my location sometime, so I will just simply type here. Okay, so just type MARKETI marketing @wmrmc.com. okay, so it's very simple. Just if you can copy it, it's perfect. If not, then you can just type it here. Okay, so I have already typed it. Now you can see guys, we have complete 2 entries. Okay, the process are very simple. Now I will simply go to the next. Okay, so I will simply copy the next data. Okay, and I will simply paste it here. Okay, so we already complete 2 entries. You can see we already completed the first 2. Now we will do the third one. Okay, so just okay guys, now you can see the website has been open. Okay, so sometime maybe if the website is not working in your country, then you can use any free VPN. Okay, so yeah, so just go back here. Now you can see guys, their contact email address is available here. Okay, so just copy, okay, and then paste it here, then go back, and now here you can see their contact number. So just copy their contact number and paste it here. Okay, then go back, and now you can see their address is available. So just copy, okay, copy, and then paste it here. Process are very simple guys, so when you learn the process, then you will do it maybe in a few seconds, one entry, because there is nothing difficult. So you can see this is their hospital name, Beacon Hospital. So just copy their hospital name, okay, and paste it here. Okay, very simple guys. So in this way you will be working on this project. So I will provide you the link in the description. So you can also, if you click Ctrl+A, and if you just click here in rip text, okay, so that it will be looking good. Now you can also do there, and I hope you understand the whole process guys. So I will provide you this link in the video description. Just download it and start practice on it, and you can create a data entry portfolio for yourself from this project. Okay, so it's very simple. Just work on this project as much as you can, and then you can share with any client which you want. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.